uh, we will use is equal to and trim. Okay, when you click on this, so this trim text, what it will do, it will merge your text and clean the spaces if you have it. It will be by the cell reference. Suppose I click this and press enter. So you can see now it's merged the cell without the space. Now if I drag this, the same thing. So you can see now it removed the spaces and it merged. Okay guys, so next trick. Sometimes if you are making the result sheet or you are putting the marks, so what will happen if some students didn't appear in the exam? So it comes like the, okay, so this blank, you want to write something here, but one by one if you will write and you have 400 students, it will be too difficult. So there is the way in Microsoft Excel. And okay guys, one thing I just want to tell you, this is not only for the school level. Just I'm showing you, I'm giving you example about this, but you can use in your professional life, any of the organization you are working. So guys, how can we fix this problem? So you don't want to leave this blank space as a blank. You want to write something, but you have too much data. So how can you write?